Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Unboxing by Ashna. My name is Ashna and today we will be unboxing the September 2020 BOXY box. So let's get right into it. This is the information card with all the products and their original prices. The first item that we have is the Blended Girl 4-piece brush set by Luna Magic. The 4 brushes come in a holographic bag, and the brushes themselves come in red, blue, yellow, and orange. This item retails for $18. The next item that comes in the box is the Nurturing Hand Cream by Lovito, which retails for $14. The cream is formulated with organic shea butter to help soften and smooth your hands. Retailing for $19, we have a matte lipstick by MAC Cosmetics in the color Lady Danger number 607. This creamy lipstick has a no-shine matte finish with a bold color. The fourth item from the box is a tomato serum from Biro. This serum contains tomato extract, vitamin C, and collagen-boosting peptides. This serum is supposed to help with brightening, anti-aging, and new glowy skin. The retail price for this item is $150. Finally, the last item is the Morphe X Mani MUA Glam Palette, which happens to be my favorite item from this box. This item retails for $20. This collab palette comes with 12 eyeshadow colors and 2 highlighters in both matte and shimmer finishes. That's all that came in the September 2020 BOXY box. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for more unboxing videos. Bye bye!